Oh, okay.
They're working on mine inside.
Are they? Man, Ryan painted mine here. And, I bought but I had my buddy put it in. I wasn't first.
Oh, I've heard nothing but good things.
Oh yeah. And I'm sorry, dude. I got a
You ain't lucky. You're great, dude. Is this your car?
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Danny Sieck.
Man.
Sieck.
Nice to meet you. We do Rat Nation. It's oh cool. Glad to see
talked
you.
to your grandson.
Glad to meet you. And we have a YouTube channel, and we talk about people that has the cars, and we have a segment that we call Stories Behind the Rods. So, how long you had this car?
Okay, this is a really good story.
Oh, great.
Because me and my best friend have been friends. Well, we worked together for 15 years, but
Yeah.
we've been friends, grew up together.
Yes, sir.
And he had a sister that lived in Valley Head, Alabama, and we both lived in Houston. And he flew to Valley Head, Alabama for Thanksgiving one year. And his brother-in-law restored old cars, and he had this, and he had all the body work done, but it was all in primer brown, but it didn't have a motor or tranny or nothing. Inside was bench seat. Anyway, I got this. I built him a motor for his C28, and my buddy's uncle owns a wrecking yard there, and I bought a disc brake posi rear end for a Firebird I had. And my buddy told me, I put that motor in his car, and he said, if you'll put that rear end in my Chevelle, my Camaro, I'll give you that old Chevelle. It's in storage, been in storage for a year. And I went and got it, and I brought it up here, and I just worked on it on the weekends. But
What year is your car?
A 72.
Yes, sir.
And
What motor's in it?
454 roller motor,
Oh, yeah.
hydraulic roller.
Yes, sir. You live in this area?
Yes, I live in Westwood.
Oh, cool.
It's got a 342 posi.
Yes, sir.
And automatic. It's got automatic in it. I got a 350. Y'all can look. Open the doors. Look in. It's dirty now.
Well, congratulations on your car. That's a heck of a good deal. I mean, that's the way to get them, helping people make it, right?
Get them basically free. I took me about 4 hours to put that rear end in that car. And he took me up here and gave it to me. It was all in primer. And I worked on it on the weekends for about 16 years and drove it in primer for years with a Ford.
So is it a daily driver? You drive it a lot?
I drive it all the time.
Yeah, that's the best. If you're going to have them build them, you might as well drive them.
I spent so much money putting it all back new, and one day, watch your back, sir. Come on back, man.